3 days, 2 nights in Beijing, classic highlights and hidden gems. Uncover the best of Beijing in just 3 days with a perfectly balanced itinerary that combines iconic landmarks and local secrets. On day 1, dive into imperial history with a visit to the Forbidden City and Tiananmen Square, followed by a walk through the ancient Hutongs for a taste of traditional courtyard life. Day 2 takes you to the majestic Great Wall at Tiananmen, where lush mountains and restored battlements offer breathtaking views and fewer crowds. After descending, unwind at the tranquil summer palace, a lakeside retreat rich in royal charm. On the final day, go off the beaten path, explore the artistic flair of 798 Art District, where industrial spaces meet contemporary Chinese creativity. Then head to Panjiayuan Antique Market for a treasure hunt among vintage trinkets and calligraphy. End your journey with local street food or a classic roast duck feast, with Buster's private transport and knowledgeable English-speaking guides. Every moment is seamless and enjoyable non-shopping trips. No time wasted. Discover Beijing's soul through its contrasts, ancient and modern, grand and intimate.